This sacred ancient tree became one of the world's worst invaders. Meet the camphor laurel, Cinnamomum camphora, a long-lived, fast-growing aromatic evergreen, revered across Asia for centuries, yet feared in the lands where it was introduced. Native to China, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, and Vietnam, the camphor laurel can reach 30 meters tall and live for over 1,000 years. The Great Camphor Tree at Kamou Hachiman Shrine in Japan is estimated to be over 1,500 years old, with a trunk circumference of about 24 meters. Before synthetic camphor was developed in the early 20th century, natural camphor from this tree was a globally traded commodity, essential for making celluloid, smokeless gunpowder, and medicines. Taiwan was once the world's largest exporter, and camphor became a strategic military resource under Japanese colonial rule. If you're planting in its native range, choose a site with full sun and well-drained soil. Space trees at least 12 to 15 meters from buildings and underground utilities. Those aggressive roots can lift pavements and damage foundations. Plant in spring to early summer so the tree establishes before winter. Do plant this tree in large landscapes within its native range where it has room to spread. Don't plant it near buildings, pipes, or paved surfaces. And importantly, never plant it where it's classified as invasive. In Australia alone, it covers over 230,000 hectares of land in New South Wales and Queensland, displacing native forests. The camphor laurel teaches us that a tree's story changes depending on where it stands. In the right place, it is a cathedral of shade, a pharmacy, a living monument. Know the tree, know the place. Plant wisely, restore, protect, inspire.